Good morning, friends. Do you sometimes feel lost, hopeless, or like something deep inside is just missing? Maybe you've been busy chasing success, pleasures, or distractions, yet the emptiness remains. In Luke chapter 15, verse 20, it says, "And he arose and came to his father. But when he was yet a great way off, his father saw him, and had compassion, and ran, and fell on his neck, and kissed him." Here we see something extraordinary. It's the only verse in the Bible where God is pictured as running towards you. Imagine that. God running to meet you. The prodigal son had sinned, wasted everything, and rehearsed a long apology. He expected rejection. But before he could even finish his speech, the father ran, embraced him, kissed him, and welcomed him home. Friend, this is God's heart for you. He is not focused on your unworthiness. He is moved by the return of a prodigal son or a wayward daughter. It's not about your past, it's about your humility. Today, let's shift our focus from our failures to His love, from our pride to His mercy. If you know someone feeling far from God today, a friend, a sibling, share this message. There is a Father in heaven who loves them, who still cares, and who longs to welcome us all back home.